Don't visit Sansara and perform a tiyat. Instead, hold a HPCC meeting first to decide on Sansara. The Goa Forward leader and Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai has told his one-time colleague and Waste Management Minister Michael Lobo.
While Sansara continues to be a huge dump of garbage, Michael Lobo has scheduled to visit the place on Thursday, but local MLA Vijay Sardesai has strongly opposed his visit. He feels it will not serve any purpose without holding the high-powered coordination committee meeting.
So my demand is before he comes tomorrow, even let him not come tomorrow. Hold the HPCC. Hold it tomorrow morning only. We will all cooperate. But he'll just come see it and he'll say that okay, but tell us what is the plan of action, because the government has to get the money to put it in. Don't do theatre here. This theatre is not going to solve Sansara's problem. I have come to send a message across to him through you all. Hopefully, if you all publish this, that don't come to do theatre. Convene the HPCC first.
Our reporter Sandeep Toyankar from Madgaon.